So it's funny, this project, yet again, like Markasa, an investor informed me of this project. The investor was from Netherlands. He was looking to buy a penthouse. So we were considering Address Grand, Ima Beachfront, Creek Waters 2, a penthouse. So that's like, these are the contenders. And then the last one was this property right here. In terms of location, it's quite really centric. So if anyone's new looking to find something interesting in Dubai, it's definitely an option to consider because it's bang next to downtown. So the biggest issue that we face in Business Bay is sort of the demand and supply. I think there's an oversupply for the location. So the biggest con of Business Bay is that you're unable to retain value. Because I've had questions like, okay, what if I invest in Select Peninsula? Or what if I invest in an Ellington product in Business Bay? Will my product retain value? So I'm unable to, I'm not sure because Peninsula and Ellington, the prices are between 2,500 dirham per square foot. It's going towards the 2,700 mark where the existing market is at around 1,000 to 1,200 dirham per square foot. So there will be a clash. The clash will be between Peninsula, a product in downtown, versus the old product that can be refurbished with a better view. So this is the sort of clash. So it's hard to estimate, but that sort of that sort of con is diminished in Habtoor city because of the limited availability. Let me show you how. So we've got Sheikh Zayed Road right here. I'm going to run you through the entire location after the video. Location numbers. But then Habtoor Palace, Mira Noora Amna, and that's it. So you have the past and you have the future, but that's about it. Now if you study the Habtoor Tower, there are about 7 podiums, but in the retail section you've got Bugatti already. And Habtoor is a brand. In Dubai, Habtoor is an existing established brand. So there's not much to ponder about that. Habtoor is an established brand. 3 levels of facilities. And look at the view. So this is if you want to understand the location. Bang next to downtown. So why I love this particular view. I remember selling this view in S Tower by Shobha, and I've seen how the price jumped from 15 million. Those are only penthouses. The price jumped from 15 million. It went up to 21 million in a span of about a year and a half. But you must understand again, the biggest advantage of Dubai is the payment plan. Over here, the biggest factor is the payment plan, 60-40. So towards handover, we can actually leverage this 40 to 50% of the value. So that's the biggest game changer. And the fact that the payment plan is construction linked. The handover is Q3 2026. So I'll show you the construction work has started. So that's the, see, Habtoor again, established brand. So there's no issue in cash flow, established developer. So if you look at the product, it's going to be phenomenal. Open plan, European style. See, I guess the only issue with the existing 3 towers is the construction is slightly old school. But over here, floor to ceiling windows, phenomenal location, full sea view, right next to downtown. And this covers every single expat out there. Let's understand Habtoor city and then let's look at the numbers. So it's exactly as you saw in the master plan. Those are the 3 towers. Habtoor Palace is a hotel. Sheikh Zayed Road is right there. And to analyze the price, you've got Icon City right behind us. So clearly, yes, you don't want to face Icon City. If you have a look, the construction work has started. So right behind this banner over here, you have the construction work has already begun for Habtoor Tower. Now, how many projects in Dubai can you say that the construction work? Because this is a question that a lot of investors have asked me. Has the work begun? So now we have the site. The work has started. The most important part is the view, clearly. So 2 things. Location. In terms of, if you compare, this is downtown versus Business Bay versus Habtoor city. Uh, I will give you the numbers if it makes sense. Now, if you start understand the demand and supply part of it, I think the supply is limited. Clearly, because if you look at these towers, the construction is a bit old school. It is old school. And what we have to invest is in the future. What are the kind of crowd that is coming into Dubai? We are looking at the HNIs, ultra HNIs coming from the European side. They prefer that open plan, phenomenal views, great location. And I think this product offers that. The price per square foot is right. It's 2,300 dirham per square foot. Right price per square foot. Downtown has touched 4,000. Beachfront has touched 6,000. So you know it's the right price per square foot. If you get a high floor, full sea view, this is phenomenal. I mean, if you're new to Dubai, you can't go wrong with this. You're in the heart of Dubai. That is downtown right there. There's not much scope because right behind us is D3. Next to us is Business Bay. You have the race course. You've got the beach right in front of you. You've got Safa Park right in front of you. So if you're new to Dubai and you're looking for a property like an apartment to move in, nice location. I don't know if a lot of people know this, but Habtoor is already the distributor for Bentley. So you'll have both Bentley and Bugatti in the retail right below Habtoor Tower. So in many perspectives, but I just want to run you through this hoarding as well. I like spaces that I can understand. I can understand the demand and supply. This is we'll do a little walk through the city as well, so people understand how beautiful this entire city is. It's got some culture aspect to it. So we are at the site, the actual site of Habtoor Tower. I just want to show you the site. So that is the Habtoor Tower right there, and we are right at the site. You can see the works going on right now. Next step, I think we need to understand numbers. I think the payment plan is phenomenal. The price per square foot is phenomenal. It's a very, very good investment opportunity, especially for those people who are looking to look at Dubai like a home and looking for that perfect, modern, nice location, good place to stay. I think it's a really, really good investment opportunity. I'm actually dripping in sweat. It is really hot in Dubai. But then I feel like I have this responsibility now, you know, to show the people out there. I think most of my investors are from Europe, UK, US, Hong Kong, China, Singapore. So I feel like my videos are an eye for them to have a look around. So I want to show them around. Show them around. So this is Habtoor City, and that's it. This is Habtoor City, right? It's a very limited sort of an area. Those are the three buildings that we saw. This entire section that you see in between is a pool. So it's one of the nicest pools I've seen in Dubai. So 3 towers. That's the Hilton now. So the hotel is operated by Hilton. Nice cars, nice people. As you can see the crowd. This is we go live. Now the idea is I will show you that's Business Bay, right? So Business Bay and downtown is right across the road. So you're just going to go show you the location. It's on the canal. So there's a reason I'm taking you there. Let's go. So Habtoor City, the Habtoor Tower is located basically right in front of Icon Tower that you see over there. Icon City. Cycling track takes you all the way to Jumeirah. I love this fact. I like the fact that Dubai is already coming up with these cycling tracks. You can show them that. So cycling and scooter tracks. You can see people scootering all the way to the beach. So if you not during July, August, but then September onwards, yes. Now let's check out the canal. You have the water taxi. That's pretty cool. You can go by a boat to Dubai Marina or Deira. That'll be more fun, especially if you're a tourist. So that's the whole idea, right? So you've got already existing a Hilton right there. So that's the Hilton. So Hilton, 3 residential towers. Unfortunately, the residential towers are not modern, and hence your property will have the highest demand. It was just logical. And then this is the concrete jungle Business Bay. There's no symmetry at all. Hence you won't find me with many videos unless it's an Ellington or a Select. But then that was selling at 2,500 dirham per square foot. This is selling at 2,300 dirham per square foot. So it just sort of made sense to me. And I love the tower. And Habtoor is a very reliable name in Dubai. It associates itself with Bentley, with the Polo Resort. So very, very reliable name in Dubai. it's a mess. I mean, how do you so I've got investors asking me, hey Zohaib, shall I buy the secondary market Peninsula? I'm like, I don't know, because if I'm investing in Peninsula, my competition is with downtown, is with projects like these. Now, unfortunately, the investors, the HNIs, the ultra HNIs who are coming to Dubai, everyone wants something sexy, wants something exclusive. You know, so I mean, these are the words I get. I'm not making up. You know, these are the words I get from investors. They need something exclusive, something private, something nice. So this is what exclusivity gives you, right? I mean, it's your own city. It's your own city in the heart of Dubai. I mean, it doesn't get more exclusive than this. 60/40 payment plan. You get the leverage of finance. You can sell it in between. You can't sell it in between. The payment plan is construction linked. I mean, it's just phenomenal. This is great. So this is an infamous, famous canal. It's beautiful. I mean, no doubt, it is beautiful. Again, this entire section is good, but investment is not that simple. Where do you invest? That's why I have Excel sheets. Numbers don't lie. And hence we're going to now sit down in a coffee shop, get the numbers straight, and then we present it. And then we're going to compare it with Business Bay, we're going to compare it with downtown. We'll compare payment plans. And if it makes sense, why not? Why not? This is beautiful. Metro right there. So there's a bit of a change of outfit. It took me a day to prepare the Excels. It does take time to prepare these numbers. I'm sure you're aware of that. So once you study the Excel, you'll understand that actually the king, the game, and the reason I started looking at other options, because Emar's payment plan is a little aggressive. Not everyone can play with Emar. You need a lot of holding capacity. But with these developers, I'm understanding OmniArt. Tomorrow we'll be making a video on OmniArt. You know, the other guys behind One Palm, Opus, Dorchester, you know, some very, very prominent projects. So I'll explain about OmniArt tomorrow. Habtoor. So it's important to understand these because of the payment plan, 60/40. So let's suppose you're investing in a property worth 2 million. The cash that you're releasing is 1 million dirhams. So if you make a profit, if I make a 500,000 profit on a 1 million dirham investment, you know, it's 50%. So we have potential to make around 66-70%. I've made very conservative figures. You can see the Excel sheets, you can see the numbers. So I'm comparing, I've just highlighted Creek Harbour versus Maritime City. I think Maritime City has a lot of potential, versus Habtoor Tower, because we cannot compare. Look at that. So that's Business Bay. This is how I came over here, you know, that's why I changed the location. So that's Business Bay. It's so hard to actually, this is buildings everywhere. There's no demand and supply. At the same time, this is Habtoor City, right? So we're just 50 floors up. So you can imagine what the view would be. And this is from, I'm at level 44. So I'm on the 44th floor, and we're looking at a tower of 82 floors. The game is getting the lowest price unit, that view, as soon as possible, because as the inventory gets completed or depleted, the prices increase. This is how the game works. I mean, I was just with Omnia today. So in Dorchester collection, the people who invested at 12.5 million for a 2-bed, today they're priced at 25 million. Why? We'll understand tomorrow. The Excel sheet I'm presenting over here, I'll show you the numbers, how we can achieve 66%. If you want to further dissect, it makes sense. I think OmniArt and Habtoor Tower, phenomenal opportunities. A, because of its uniqueness, limited supply. In Anwar 2, the name has not been released yet. The prices haven't been released yet, so it's been a little difficult. It's based on assumptions and experience. But both of these have so much potential where you can do a good trade in this bullish market. So thank you for watching. Enjoy the view, enjoy the numbers. If you want to further understand the numbers, contact me. We'll organize a one-on-one Zoom call. I'll explain all the numbers to you, but these two are fantastic trading investment opportunities. Plus, I'm going to make two videos. One is ultra luxury. How do you make money on ultra luxury? That should be one video. So next video we've got on OmniArt, ultra luxury and trading. So if I pick up stock in bulk, so in but I had this opportunity to like discuss on picking up a floor. So if I buy an entire floor pre-launch, I may get up to 10% discount. So that adds up to my profit. So to get more details on that, like, share, subscribe, follow me, and if you want more information, just hit me up and we'll organize a Zoom call and let's make some money.